I wrapped up some goodies in construction paper and it turned out perfect. I can't wait to show you guys. Hi guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society, and today I'm going to show you how you can wrap your small amigurumi in a piece of construction paper. You can also use wrapping paper or brown paper, craft paper if you have it, but I just thought it was really cool that something would fit in a piece of construction paper. Here I am taking out an ornament that I made. This is the rustic tree ornament, so if you've made this, an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper is perfect for this ornament. Here are some other color options that I made and some different yarn as ribbon, and I think they all turned out really cute. So this is just a fun little way to wrap a gift for the holidays. For supplies, you're going to need the thing that you're wrapping. So in my case, I have my ornament. It's about 2.5 inches tall. And then I have a piece of construction paper. This is the 9 by 12 Crayola construction paper. You can use wrapping paper or craft paper depending on the size of your amigurumi. Grab some tape, some scissors, and then I have a hole punch and some yarn because I did place a little bit of ribbon in the front. And then if you'd like to add an extra little bit of cuteness, you can add some holiday stickers, and I just have this happy planner sticker packet, which is really cute. To get started, you want to place your present in the middle of the paper, and whether you have wrapping paper or whatever paper, all you want to do is make sure that you can cover the piece completely. So here it's perfect. I can cover my ornament, and then I want to make sure that I have enough room on top, so I have about a hand's width on top and bottom. I'm just going to tape this shut, so I'm going to put this side over. If you have double-sided tape, it would look really nice because it would look nice and clean, but I didn't have any, so I'm just popping on some tape here. Now that I have it taped, I'm going to pop out my ornament. I am going to fold this piece over, so I leave about 2 inches. I just kind of measured with my hand here, and then fold that over. Because I can't make a straight line, I had to do this again. So now I'm back folding, trying to make a straight line. And once you have that, all you'll do is pinch your pieces together. So you will pinch it shut. It looks like a diamond shape. Then you will fold your corner pieces in. Add a piece of tape or some double tape. I like to add 2 pieces for this bottom so that nothing falls out. And now you want to pop your gift bag open. The smaller bag was a little harder to pop out, so sometimes if you have a hook or something to help you, it works a little bit better. But if you're doing a bigger amigurumi, it's definitely a lot easier. Now you have your finished bag, so you want to place your ornament in the bag. Make sure to tuck in your hanging piece because you don't want to cut it accidentally when you're making a hole with the hole punch, because I did that, so I know that that happens. Now we are folding over. We are finishing up our bag, and because this is a bit long, I'm just going to give this a little bit of a cut. I am going to make 2 holes with my hole punch because I'm going to add a yarn bow. Grab a long piece of whatever color you'd like for your yarn, and then make a nice little bow in the front. You can add a little sticker for just some cuteness and add a little piece of tape on the back if you'd like, and that's it. That's your bag. Your little ornament is super cute. You can do these in all the colors that the construction paper comes in. You can do it with white computer paper and just really can draw something, add names on there. It's just a quick gift wrapping idea for amigurumi. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and crochet alongs. And I wanted to say happy holidays to everybody. I hope that this season is filled with love, laughter, yarn, crochet, everything. Thank you guys so much for being here.